Hi, my name is Kristian. I'm here at Ooni HQ. Today I'm going to show you how I make amazing wood-fired food using Ooni. I'll go through some top tips and some of our favorite features of Ooni 3. I'll also walk through the lighting process and how to maintain optimum temperatures. Finding a spot for your Ooni 3 is easy thanks to its portable size. This wooden table is perfect as it gives plenty of space for my ingredients. Most surfaces are fine, but we don't recommend glass or plastic. I have my Ooni set up just the way I like it. I've got everything to hand and we're in a sheltered spot in my garden. If you're cooking on a breezy day, remember to position Ooni so that air enters through the grate at the back. This encourages airflow through the oven. All you need to get started is your Ooni 3 and the peel that comes in the box, pellets and something to light it up with. I've also got some handy tools with me today, an infrared thermometer and a sizzler pan for making dishes like steaks and roasted vegetables. One of my favorite things about Ooni 3 is the burner. It's got lots of great features that I'd like to show you. The grate and the burner tray have been designed for optimum airflow. The holes in the grate provide a space for excess ash to fall out of the burning area. Inside the hopper we have the pellet slide, which is here to help pellets flow into the grate for a consistent burn. The hopper lid doubles as a handle for removing the grate. You can use this when lighting up or removing residual ash when Ooni is cool. Remember, this is placed back on the hopper while you cook. Ooni 3 is very easy to light and you'll be cooking in no time. Like all outdoor cooking, keep your children and pets well back and don't leave your Ooni unattended while it's lit. Start with high quality 100% hardwood pellets. We're using Ooni pellets which are perfect for use in Ooni 3 and Ooni Pro. They give a nice subtle flavor to your food and are extremely energy dense. They get your Ooni 3 to 500 degrees Celsius or 932 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes of lighting. Before you light it, remove the chimney cap and check that the door is on. You can use firelighters to get your Ooni going or a blowtorch. With a couple of scoops of pellets in the grate as shown, point the flame through the hole on the side of the burner for 30 to 60 seconds or until the pellets are fully lit. Here's how to light Ooni 3 with a natural fire starter. You should be able to see flame through the hole on the side, and this will move forward through the oven as it's drawn towards the chimney. After approximately 5 minutes or once your starter pellets are properly lit, it's time to start topping up. I use the bolt at the back as a guide and keep pellets topped up to this level with a small scoop between pizzas. You'll see some smoke as your Ooni warms up, but this will change to a nice clean burn as soon as your Ooni 3 is running at top temperatures. It's very important that you give new pellets enough time to fully light and begin burning before topping up. Always top up a little at a time. When your pellets drop below this level, gradually top back up as you did in the beginning. Remember, we want to encourage airflow and adding too many pellets at once can affect this. After about 10 minutes of preheating, I'll do a final check on the pellet level and use a thermometer to make sure that the stone baking board is at around 350 degrees Celsius or 660 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure your dough is at room temperature and use a sprinkling of flour on the peel so it moves around easily. If you find that your pizza is stuck, give it a gentle blow of air underneath. You'll remove any excess flour and the air bubble this produces will help your pizza glide from peel to stone. We call this the hovercraft technique. Slide your pizza in and close the door. After about 30 seconds we're ready to turn it. Lift the door off, slide the peel under the pizza and give it a 180 degree turn. Slide your pizza back in and replace the door. We want the chimney to be able to work its magic in drawing flames across the top of the cooking area. Rotate your pizza once or twice more to give it an even cook, and that's all there's to it. After your pizza is done, you can carry on cooking. I normally give my Ooni a minute or two between pizzas to get it back up to top temperatures. My number one tip is to remember to top up your pellets little and often and to always keep it level with the bolt at the back of the hopper. Topping up from embers is easy, but it's very important not to smother the flames by adding too many pellets in one go. This might cause a gas buildup in the oven and a small pop when those gases reignite. Give new pellets enough time to burn. Adding too many pellets at once will prevent Ooni from getting back up to the temperatures you're aiming for. Keep the hopper lid off until they've relit, or even use your blowtorch to speed things up. When you're done cooking, just allow your pellets to burn out naturally. After Ooni has completely cooled, you can use the hopper lid to remove the grate and dispose of any remaining ash. There we go. Hope you've enjoyed these tips and tricks. Please make sure to join us on our Facebook community and subscribe on YouTube. Thanks very much for watching.